Meet Angry Duck, a robot built with the AI module 2S.
Lay out the key parts: the controller, servo motors, omnidirectional chassis, beams, and 45-degree U-shaped brackets. Use the white beams and blue 45-degree U-shaped brackets to assemble the leg supports. Position the omnidirectional chassis as the base and mount the first servo motor. Add a second servo motor to begin the neck assembly. Reinforce the neck with beams and axle sleeves for a sturdier connection. With the legs and neck in place, the main body is ready for the head assembly. Build the head subassembly using a servo motor and beams. Attach the blue bracket assembly to create the head support. Secure the head support to the upright neck assembly. Mount the ultrasonic sensor as Angry Duck's head. Its two sensors become the eyes. Connect the controller and power on. Angry Duck is ready to move.